Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Google Gemini, then just to let you know about one or two changes that have taken place recently to Gemini online and also the Gemini app on your phone. And it does seem with these changes that Google is trying to fine-tune the user interface to make it more streamlined. Where if we have a look at the first change that Google has made, is if we head to our model picker, where we get our different models. And by the way, I'll post a video on the latest 3.6 flash that rolled out and 3.5 flash lite. I'll leave that video linked. But the model picker drop-down menu in the Gemini app and online now only shows a single extended thinking option under the thinking level menu, where previously this drop-down menu listed a standard thinking level as well, but it does seem that since that was the default level, displaying it was slightly redundant. So I think for a more streamlined user interface, Google has removed standard, which is default, and given us extended, just that on its own as an option, which I do think makes more sense. So that's what it looks like online. And if we head to an image provided by Android Authority, I'll leave the article in the description. Here we can see it on mobile. The model drop down, you get your different models and just extended thinking on its own. And over and above that, the Gemini app on your phone is also getting a new notification controls, which is within the Gemini app settings. And you will now find notification toggles for the following categories: daily brief, scheduled actions, responses, and product updates and tips. Now, it's important to note that these toggles are enabled by default, okay? So it's opt-out, not opt-in. But it does offer added control over the kinds of notifications the Gemini app will send to you. So if you don't want the app to send push notifications announcing new features or tips, as an example, you can now disable them in the app. So new notifications and the extended thinking level on its own are now rolling out. And just take note that Google's updates are often slow, being on a controlled rollout. So if you're not seeing the new UI and notification controls yet, you'll just have to wait for the update to reach your devices. So just putting it out there to keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.